Good morning to all. I am Subarani, Associate Professor in Manual Research College of Pharmacy. Today's topic is heterocyclic compounds in pyrrazole. The content of this PPT is synthesis, reaction, and medicinal uses of pyrrazole. Okay. First of all, synthesis of pyrrazole. First method is decarboxylation of various pyrazole carboxylic acid on heating gives pyrrazole. So, first method is decarboxylation of pyrazole carboxylic acid, various pyrazole carboxylic acid, and heating. On heating, it gives pyrazole. Okay. First of all, pyrazole 2,4,5 tricarboxylic acid. Pyrazole 2, 3, 4, 5. In first, second, and third position is COOH group, and fourth position is COOH group, and fifth position is COOH. Then 3 acid groups. So, pyrrole 3, 4, 5 tricarboxylic acid is heated at 300 degrees Celsius to form pyrazole. Okay, first method is pyrazole carboxylic acid is heated at 300 degrees Celsius to form pyrazole. Then second method, condensation of hydrazine with beta diketones. Condensation of hydrazine with beta diketones. Beta diketones. The example of beta diketone is acetyl acetone. Acetyl acetone is heated with hydrazine NH2. Acetyl acetone is heated with hydrazine NH2 to form the product derivative of pyrazole, 2,5-dimethyl pyrazole. So, acetyl acetone is reacted with hydrazine. 2 molecules of water is removed. Then the product of derivative of pyrazole is obtained. Then 3,5-dimethyl pyrazole is obtained. So, 2 methods of preparation. First method is pyrazole carboxylic acid is heated 300 degrees Celsius. Then second one is acetyl acetone is reacted with hydrazine to form 3,5-dimethyl pyrazole. Okay. Then another preparation is condensation of benzyl acetone with phenylhydrazine. Condensation of benzyl acetone. Benzyl acetone is reacted with phenylhydrazine. Benzyl acetone is reacted with phenylhydrazine to form a product, then removed by the water molecules. Then intermediate product is then next remove a water molecule to form derivative of pyrazole, 3-methyl 1,5 diphenyl pyrazole. 3-methyl 1,5 dimethyl pyrazole. So, the third preparation, the condensation of benzyl ketone, condensation of benzyl benzoyl acetone with phenylhydrazine. Condensation of benzoyl acetone with phenylhydrazine to form a derivative of pyrazole, that is 3-methyl 1,5 diphenyl pyrazole is obtained. Okay. Then third method is condensation of hydrazine with beta ketoester. Condensation of hydrazine with beta ketoester. Hydrazine beta ketoesters. Then condensation between acetoacetic ester and phenylhydrazine. Then beta ketoesters and hydrazine So this reaction is obtained acetoacetic ester and hydrazine means phenyl hydrazine. So acetoacetic ester is reacted with the phenyl hydrazine to form a derivative of pyrazole 1-phenyl 3-methyl pyrazole. The first position is obtained in a phenyl group C6H5. Then third position is obtained in methyl group. So 1-phenyl 3-methyl 5-pyrazolone. Okay. Then fourth method is condensation of hydrazine with malone dialdehyde diethyl acetal. Okay. Then condensation of hydrazine with malone dialdehyde diethyl acetal. Malone dialdehyde with malone dialdehyde diethyl acetal is reacted with the hydrazine NH2 to form a product pyrazole is obtained. Then fifth method is condensation of hydrazine with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So the fifth method is condensation of hydrazine with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So the condensation of hydrazine NH2 with acrolein alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound acrolein gives pyrazolene, which can be oxidized to pyrazole. So acrolein is reacted with hydrazine to form a product acraldehyde hydrazone is obtained. Then it is further form pyrazole. Okay, pyrazolene is obtained. Then it is oxidized bromine or mercury oxide to form pyrazole. Okay, then acrolein is reacted with the hydrazine to form acraldehyde hydrazone. Then it is converted into pyrazolene. Then it is oxidized with bromine or mercury oxide to form pyrazole. Okay. Then another method is in alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, if either of the double bonded carbon atom is attached to a halogen atom, pyrazole is directly obtained. So phenyl hydrazine C6H5NH2 is reacted with 2-bromochalcone. 2-bromochalcone is reacted with phenyl hydrazine to form derivative of pyrazole. So 1,3,5 triphenyl pyrazole is obtained. The remaining product hydrogen bromide and water is formed. The next characteristics reaction of pyrazole. This is the structure of pyrazole. The first position is obtained in NH and second position is obtained in nitrogen N group. Okay. First chemical reaction. Reaction with inorganic acids. Pyrazole is a weakly basic compound and forms salts with inorganic salts. So first chemical reaction is reaction with inorganic acid. Pyrazole is a weakly basic compound, base compounds, and further it is reacted with inorganic acid to form a salt. First one is pyrazole is reacted with HCl, hydrochloric acid, to inorganic acid to form pyrazole hydrochloride. Pyrazole hydrochloride is obtained. First reaction, pyrazole is reacted with inorganic acid to form a salt. The salt is pyrazole hydrochloride. Then second reaction is acylation. The imine hydrogen atom of pyrazole replaced by an acyl group. So the imine hydrogen atom of pyrazole is replaced by a acyl group. Acetic anhydride is reacted with pyrrazole. Pyrrazole is reacted with acetic anhydride. CH3CO twice O acetic anhydride to form a product N-acetyl pyrrazole. So the imine hydrogen atom, so the NH group, the hydrogen atom is removed, replaced by an acyl group. So NCOCH3, N-acetyl pyrrazole is obtained. Then third reaction is benzoylation. Third reaction is benzoylation. The imino hydrogen atom of the pyrrazole replaced by benzyl group. So pyrrazole is reacted with benzyl chloride C6H5COCl, benzyl chloride, to form the first position is benzoyl pyrazole. Benzoyl group is obtained in first position. So 1 benzoyl pyrazole, NC6H5OO. Okay, 1 benzoyl pyrazole is obtained. So 3 chemical reaction is studied. First one is reaction with inorganic acids. Furan is reacted to hydrochloric acid to form pyrazole is reacted with hydrochloric acid to form pyrazole hydrochloride. Then second one is acylation. Pyrazole is reacted with acetic anhydride to form N-acetyl pyrazole. Then third one is benzoylation. Pyrazole is reacted with benzyl chloride C6H5COCl to form a product 1 benzoyl pyrazole. Okay. Then fourth reaction is oxidation. Fourth reaction is oxidation. See, carbon alkylated pyrazole readily oxidizes in the corresponding carboxylic acid. So in 5-methyl-1-phenyl pyrazole, 5-methyl-1-phenyl pyrazole is reacted with KMnO4 to form 1-phenyl pyrazole, 5-carboxylic acid is obtained. So oxidation reaction, pyrazole is easily readily oxidized to form its corresponding aldehyde. First of all, 5-methyl-1-phenyl pyrazole is oxidized with the KMnO4 to form 1-phenyl pyrazole, 5-carboxylic acid is obtained. Okay. Then pyrazole polycarboxylic acids are heated, corresponding monocarboxylic acids are obtained, in which carboxyl group in the alpha position to nitrogen is first to be removed. Repeating decarboxylation at a higher temperature, the monocarboxylic acid are converted into parent compound. Okay. So pyrazole 3,4,5 tricarboxylic acid. Pyrazole 3,4,5 tricarboxylic acid is heated with 200 degrees Celsius. 2 molecules of carbon dioxide is removed to form pyrazole 3-carboxylic acid is obtained. Pyrazole 3-carboxylic acid. In third position, a acid group is obtained. So pyrazole 3-carboxylic acid is obtained. It is further heated 300 degrees Celsius to remove a carbon dioxide gas to form pyrazole. Okay. So pyrazole 3,4,5 tricarboxylic acid is heated at 200 degrees Celsius to form pyrazole 3-carboxylic acid. Then it is further heated 200 degrees Celsius. A molecule of carbon dioxide is removed to form pyrazole. Okay. Then next reaction, fifth reaction is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. Pyrazole itself resistant to reduction by sodium ethanol. Its N-phenyl derivative may be reduced by sodium ethanol in the corresponding pyrazolene. So 1-phenyl pyrazole is reacted with sodium and ethanol, sodium and ethanol to form one phenyl group. 1 phenyl 4,5 dihydropyrazole. 1 phenyl 4,5 dihydropyrazole or 1 phenyl pyrazolene is obtained. 1 phenyl pyrazolene is obtained. So reduction reaction, 1 phenyl pyrazole is reduction in the presence of sodium and ethanol to form 1 phenyl pyrazolene. 1 phenyl pyrazole is converted into 1 phenyl pyrazolene. Then next, pyrazole itself catalytically reduction to pyrazolene and pyrazolidine. So pyrazole is reduction with a catalyst to form pyrazolene. Then next it reduced to form pyrazolidine. Okay, pyrazole first converted in pyrazolene, then it is next converted into pyrazolidine. Okay. Next reaction is nitration. Pyrazole can be nitrated with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid to form 4-nitropyrazole. 4-nitropyrazole. So, substitution reaction is maximum obtained in 4th position. So, 4th position, a nitro group is obtained. So, 4-nitropyrazole is obtained. Then next reaction is sulfonation. Sulfonated with fuming sulfuric acid. Pyrazole is reacted with the sulfuric acid to form pyrazole. 4-sulfonic acid is obtained. Pyrazole 4-sulfonic acid is obtained. So next reaction is halogenation. It takes place position 4 to form 4-calopyrazole. So all the substitution reaction is obtained in 4th position. So halogenation takes place in 4th position to form 4-halopyrazole. First one is chlorination. Chlorinated with the sulfuryl chloride or chlorine. So pyrazole is reacted with the sulfuryl chloride. Sulfuryl chloride formula SO2Cl2. Sulfuryl chloride or chlorine. Pyrazole is chlorinated with chlorine or sulfuryl chloride to form. In 4th position, chlorine is obtained. So 4-chloropyrazole. The next one is bromination. Brominated with bromine dioxin. So pyrazole is brominated with bromine in the presence of dioxin. The product 4-bromopyrazole is obtained. 4-bromopyrazole is obtained. Then chloromethylation. Next reaction is chloromethylation. Pyrazoles having free imino group cannot be chloromethylated. It can give carbenols. Pyrazoles having free imino group, but it cannot be reacted with chloromethylated. So it can give carbinol. Okay. 3,5 dimethyl pyrazole is reacted with CH2O in the presence of HCl to form a product. Okay. The next one is N-phenyl pyrazole can readily be chloromethylated. So N-phenyl pyrazole is readily methylated. So form readily chloromethylated. N-phenyl pyrazole is reacted with CH2O in the presence of HCl. 1 molecule of water is removed to form 4-chloromethyl N-phenyl pyrazole. 4-chloromethyl N-phenyl pyrazole is obtained. So next reaction is formylation. Next chemical reaction is formylation. Direct formulation of N-phenyl pyrazole with dimethyl formamide and phosphoryl chloride. It gives N-phenyl pyrazole 4-aldehyde. So N-phenyl pyrazole is reacted with dimethyl formamide and phosphoryl chloride. Dimethyl formamide and phosphoryl chloride POCl3 to form N-phenyl pyrazole 4-aldehyde. N-phenyl pyrazole 4-aldehyde is obtained. Okay. The next mercuration reaction. N-phenyl pyrazole is mercurated at 4th position using mercury chloride or sodium acetate. So N-phenyl pyrazole is reacted with mercury chloride HgCl2 or sodium acetate CH3COONA. Then 4th position obtained in HGO. So N-phenyl pyrazole 4-mercury chloride is obtained. The next reaction is reaction with alkyl halide. N-phenyl pyrazole when treated with methyl halide. So N-phenyl pyrazole is reacted with methyl halide CH3I methyl iodide to form a product 1-methyl-2-phenyl hydrazine is obtained. 1-methyl-2-phenyl hydrazine is obtained. Then next reaction is effect of heating. Esters of pyrazole carboxylic acid. Esters of pyrazole carboxylic acids are decomposed heating to form cyclopropane derivative with the cyclation with the evaluation of nitrogen. So ester of pyrazole carboxylic acid. Ester of pyrazole carboxylic acid are decomposed. So it is heated in the copper powder to form cyclopropane derivative. In the evaluation of nitrogen gas is obtained. The next medicinal uses of pyrazole. First one is antipyrin or phenazone. Antipyrin or phenazone. Antipyrin is an antipyretic agent and is used for symptomatic treatment of ascitic otitis media or most commonly in combination with benzocaine. So first one is antipyrin or phenazone. Antipyrin or phenazone. The second use is aminophenazone or aminopyrin. Aminophenazone is an analgesic drug. Aminophenazone is an analgesic drug used to treat acute migraine attacks in combination with ergotamine and caffeine. Okay, then it is an aminophenazone or another name is aminopyrin. Aminophenazone or aminopyrin, it is an analgesic drug. It is used to treat acute migraine attacks in combination with ergotamine and caffeine. Okay, then next one is celecoxib. It is used to relieve pain. Tenderness, swelling and stiffness. Then it is caused by osteoarthritis as rheumatoid arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis. So this drug is celecoxib is used to relieve pain. Okay, these are the structure. The next one is sulfophenazone. Sulfophenazole is used for the treatment of bacterial infection. So sulfophenazole is the drug used to treatment for bacterial infection. This one is the structure of sulfophenazole. Okay, then next one is Fomipizole. Fomipizole is indicated as an antidote for ethylene glycol or methanol poisoning. So antidote is used as cure poisoning. Fomepizole is indicated as an antidote for ethylene glycol or methanol poisoning, or for use in suspected ethylene glycol or methanol ingestion, either alone or in combination with hemodialysis. Okay, this is the structure of fomepizole. The next one is metamizole. Metamizole is an antipyretic and analgesic drug. It is used to severe and persistent fever and pain. So metamizole is an antipyretic and analgesic drug. It is used to relieve severe and persistent fever and pain. Okay, this is the structure of metamizole. Okay, so these are the preparation and chemical reactions and uses of pyrazole. First of all, synthesis of pyrazole, then some characteristics reaction of pyrazole. First one is reaction with inorganic compounds, then second one is acylation, then third one is benzoylation, then fourth one is oxidation, then fifth one is reduction reaction, then sixth one is nitration, seventh one is sulfonation reaction, then eighth reaction is halogenation. First one is chlorination and another one is bromination, then ninth reaction is chloromethylation, and 10th reaction is formylation, and 11th one is mercuration. Then next reaction with alkyl halide, then last one is effect of heating. So next, medicinal uses. Some drugs are used to pyrazole compounds. These are the important drugs in some various diseases. Okay, students, thank you.